Hi, I thought I'd show you today just a brief overview of how the new journal entry screen works in FreeAgent. It used to just be a simple one-sided journal, which from a simplicity point of view worked well, but it kind of isn't the traditional way of doing it, which would be to do a two-sided journal. So what it meant in the old way is you could have a one-sided journal and it would be out of balance till you put the other side in, whereas now you can only enter it if it's in balance. So I think it's an improvement, and certainly from an accountant's point of view it's a bit more standard. So if you go into your FreeAgent account, this is just a demo company, you go into your FreeAgent account and go accounting journal entries, and what we're going to do for the purposes of this demo is assume that you have a year-end adjustment you need to do for some accrued subcontractor costs that relate to the year-end, but you haven't received the invoice through or paid it until after year-end. So you're going to put a cost accrual through so it correctly puts the cost into the prior year accounts. So we're going to assume our year-end is the 31st of August for this purpose. So I'm going to go and enter the date here, 31st of August, a title of our description for the journal, which is going to be year-end cost accrual for subcontractor, let's call him Joe Blogs. So the code for the first line is going to be subcontractor costs, and you can see as you start typing in the code, it will limit the choices, which is really good. Subcontractor costs. You can add some additional information each journal line if you need, but I don't really think there's a need to unless you've got a good description up here. That's fine. And the cost is going to be for £2,500. And the other side of the line is going to be to your accruals, which is on your balance sheet. There you go. So type it in. There's only one choice, and we'll enter 2,500 here. And that should now show that there's no difference, and you can create that journal. Now the thing is, with an accrual, you want to make sure it's reversed in the next accounting period. So I'm actually going to go and copy this text here before I go out, before I post it. Right, I'm now going to create that journal. And to post the reversing side, I'm going to go and add new journal. I'm going to date it on the first day of the new accounting year. I'm going to put that in here, but this time I'm going to change the front of the description, just add reversal in. And now you're going to enter the opposite side. So it's going to be 2,500 as a credit. Accruals 2,500. That's reversed it out. Create a journal, and it's all done. And to see any journals that have been entered in each accounting year, this is where you go in it here. So that's that. And yeah, I think it's much improved. We certainly prefer it more. And another thumbs up for the continued development of FreeAgent.